Greetings, seekers of cosmic wisdom, and welcome to a journey that transcends the boundaries of individual existence, a journey that unveils the profound revelation that lies at the heart of the universe. I am your guide on this odyssey, and together we shall explore the captivating truth. I am the universe. As we embark on this voyage of self-discovery and cosmic realization, prepare to witness the unveiling of a truth that has echoed through the ages, whispered by mystics and sages, and resonated in the tapestry of creation itself. Join me as we unravel the secrets of unity that transcend time and space, and as we delve into the depths of understanding that every atom, every thought, every heartbeat is a thread woven into the grand fabric of the cosmos. As the symphony of the universe plays on, we shall learn how to attune ourselves to its harmonious frequencies and how to dance to the rhythm of existence itself. Get ready to explore the uncharted territories of your own consciousness, to touch the divine through the mystical experiences that await, and to harmonize with the cosmic currents that flow through all things. Are you ready to awaken to the profound realization that I am the universe? Then let us journey together into the realms of infinite potential, boundless expansion, and cosmic interconnectedness. Remember, my fellow cosmic travelers, you are not merely watching this journey unfold, you are an integral part of it. So with open hearts and curious minds, let us dive into the depths of this revelation and unlock the door to a reality that transcends the ordinary. Buckle up, for this is a voyage that will forever change the way you perceive yourself and the universe. Welcome to a transformative exploration of the cosmic truth that resonates within us all. Welcome to the revelation that I am the universe. Number 1. Interconnectedness. At its core, the understanding that I am the universe emerges from recognizing the inherent interconnectedness of all things. Just as the cells in our body collaborate to form the whole, every atom, every being, every star and every breath is intricately woven into the fabric of the cosmos. Number 2. Quantum unity. Quantum physics reveals that particles are entangled across space and time, defying our conventional notions of separateness. In this dance of energy and matter, the boundaries of individuality blur, and the universe expresses itself through a kaleidoscope of forms. Number 3. Cosmic evolution. Consider the journey of cosmic evolution. From the primordial singularity to galaxies, stars, planets, and life itself, this evolutionary unfolding is not separate from us. It is an integral part of our being, a story etched in the very essence of our existence. Number 4. See microcosm and macrocosm. The ancient wisdom of as above, so below echoes through the ages. Our inner landscapes mirror the outer cosmos, and the universe in turn is reflected within us. Contemplate the galaxies in your cells and the constellations in your thoughts. Number 5. Conscious observer. In the mystical realm of consciousness, the boundary between observer and observed dissolves. As we perceive the universe, we are also being perceived by it. This reciprocal relationship underscores the unity of all experience. Number 6. Energetic resonance. Vibrations resonate through every particle, creating a symphony that shapes reality. As you align your energies with the harmonious rhythms of the universe, you become a co-creator, an instrument through which the universe harmonizes with itself. Number 7. Non-duality. The I am the universe understanding is rooted in non-duality, the realization that there is no true separation between self and other, between you and the cosmos. All distinctions are illusions that dissolve in the ocean of cosmic awareness. Number 8. Infinite potential. Just as the universe contains infinite galaxies, you too hold boundless potential within. Embracing the idea that I am the universe empowers you to tap into this potential and manifest your highest intentions. Or number 9, impermanence. The universe is in a perpetual state of flux, and so are we. By recognizing that we are the universe, we become more accepting of change and find peace in the impermanent nature of existence. Number 10. Stillness and movement. The universe oscillates between stillness and movement, just as our lives do. Identifying with the universe invites us to find equilibrium in the dance of opposites. Number 11. Unity of consciousness. Imagine consciousness as a vast ocean, and individual expressions of consciousness as waves rising and falling within it. When you acknowledge I am the universe, you realize that your consciousness is a drop in this ocean, intimately connected to the entire expanse of cosmic awareness. Number 12. Timelessness. Time is a construct that the universe uses to unfold its stories. When you embrace your identity with the universe, you glimpse the timelessness beyond the stories. You touch the eternal present, where all moments coexist, revealing the universe's true nature. Number 13. Observer. Effect. Your intentions, like ripples in a pond, reverberate through the fabric of reality. As you embody the truth, I am the universe, you align your intentions with the universe's creative impulses. You understand that you are both the artist and the masterpiece. Number 14. Embracing paradox. The universe's dance of opposites mirrors the intricacies of human experience. By realizing that I am the universe, you embrace the paradoxes within yourself. In this acceptance, you discover the unity that transcends duality. Number 15. Limitless expansion. Just as the universe's edges are boundless, so are the depths of your consciousness. Recognizing your connection to the universe opens the gateway to limitless personal expansion, where your potential stretches beyond horizons. Number 16. Mirror of nature. The patterns in nature reflect the universal templates of existence. When you internalize the idea, I am the universe, you align with these patterns, recognizing the tapestry of existence within your own being. Number 17. Cosmic dance. The cosmic dance symbolizes the flow of life's energies. As you merge your identity with the universe, you become both dancer and dance, embodying the graceful ebb and flow of cosmic energy. Number 18. Integration of shadow. Embracing your shadow side is an act of cosmic balance. When you realize I am the universe, you acknowledge that darkness is as much a part of the universal experience as light. This recognition fosters inner healing and unity. Number 19. Transcendence of ego. The ego's illusions crumble in the face of the universe's vastness. By identifying with the universe, you shift from ego-centeredness to cosmic humility. You become a vessel through which the universe expresses itself. Number 20. Mystical experience. Mysticism opens doors to the divine by dissolving boundaries. When you embody the understanding I am the universe, you step into a realm of mystical experience where you merge with the cosmos and touch the ineffable. Number 21. Quantum entanglement of emotions. Emotions ripple across the universal fabric, creating interconnectedness. By aligning your emotions with the higher frequencies of the universe, you contribute to the harmonious symphony of existence. Number 22. Harmonization with celestial cycles. The universe's cycles mirror your own rhythms. When you acknowledge your unity with the universe, you attune your life to the celestial clockwork, finding synchronicity in the unfolding moments. Number 23. Sacred geometry. Sacred geometry is the language of creation. As you embody the idea, I am the universe, you gain access to this language, understanding the blueprint that shapes both galaxies and the contours of your soul. Number 24. Synchronicity. Synchronicities are the universe's whispers guiding your path. By recognizing your identity with the universe, you open channels of communication, allowing these meaningful coincidences to illuminate your journey. Number 25. Sublime creativity. Creativity is the universe expressing itself through you. When you understand that I am the universe, you harness this creative force, giving birth to unique expressions that contribute to the cosmic tapestry. Number 26. Universal compassion. Compassion arises from recognizing the interconnected suffering of all beings. As you embody the truth, I am the universe, you become a vessel for universal compassion, healing the world through your empathetic presence. Number 27. Interstellar wisdom. Stars hold ancient wisdom in their fiery cores. Identifying with the universe grants you access to this cosmic library, where you gain insights that guide your spiritual evolution. Number 28. Quantum resonance. Your vibrations interact with the universe's vibrations. As you align with the understanding, I am the universe, your resonance influences the cosmic dance, spreading waves of harmony and love. Number 29. Cosmic breath. In each breath you embody the universe's inhalation and exhalation. Breathing in, you merge with the universe's essence. Breathing out, you contribute to the ever-expanding cosmos. Number 30. Eternal essence. Beneath the layers of identity and form lies an eternal essence. As you realize your unity with the universe, you touch this timeless core, a reminder of your inherent connection to the vast cosmos. In these intricate explorations, you uncover the symphony of existence playing within your being. The understanding that I am the universe transcends intellectual knowledge, becoming an experiential reality that reshapes your perception and elevates your consciousness. May your continued journey be one of revelation and expansion as you traverse the limitless landscapes of your own cosmic nature. In this intricate tapestry of existence, we find that the separation between I and the universe dissolves like mist in the morning sun. It is a journey of self-discovery and cosmic realization, a path that leads us to recognize that we are not just inhabitants of the universe, but the universe itself expressing its infinite potential through the vessel of our being. May this understanding illuminate your path and guide you to the boundless depths of your own true nature. As our journey comes to a close, dear cosmic explorers, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom we've uncovered, the truth that I am the universe. Remember, this realization isn't just a concept, it's a living experience that has the power to reshape your entire existence. By acknowledging your unity with the cosmos, you step into a realm of boundless potential, where your actions ripple through the fabric of reality itself. Let this understanding guide you on your path, inspiring you to embrace the paradoxes, dance with synchronicities, and create harmonious melodies that resonate with the universal song. May you continue to explore the depths of your consciousness and unveil the mysteries that lie within. As you go forth, carry with you the knowledge that you are a cosmic being, intimately connected to the galaxies and stars that sparkle in the night sky. The universe flows through you, as you and around you, a symphony of oneness that transcends time and space. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. If you found value in these revelations, remember to like, share, and subscribe so that we can continue to explore the depths of consciousness together. Until we meet again on the shores of cosmic awareness, may you walk with grace, love, and the unwavering knowledge that you are a starlight traveler in the grand tapestry of existence. As you navigate life's vast expanse, always remember the cosmic truth. I am the universe. Namaste, dear souls.